Hi everyone, my name is Joy. It is another edition of Digital Skills in High Demand, and in this video we'll be talking about UI UX, that is user interface and user experience. Learning UI UX design can be a valuable digital skill for anyone looking to advance their career or start a new one in the tech industry. With a good knowledge of the user interface, you will be able to design the user interface of an app or a website. The knowledge of user experience will help you fill in the right information in the website or apps. User experience is the experience of a person using a particular website or apps in terms of how easy, pleasing, and seamlessly it is for them to use the website or the app. UI UX design is one of the digital skills in high demand, and as technology continues to advance, many companies, industries, and organizations move their products and services online. That is, the need for skilled UI UX designer is going to be on the increase. UI UX design is a highly creative digital skill, and as a UI UX designer, you will be responsible for creating visually appealing and spontaneous user interface. As a professional UI UX designer, you should be able to design a user-friendly product. Whether you are working on a website or apps or other digital products, UI UX design gives you the opportunity to use your creativity to make a positive impact on users. You want to learn UI UX design and be very good at it, that is, you want to become a professional, then you should consider enrolling in a training school where they offer practical hands-on training, that is, less theories and more practical. Another thing you should consider is a training school that offers project-based learning, where you get to build a real-life project as a way of testing your competence before you graduate. The third point is a training school where the classes are not crowded. A quiet, less noise environment is the best and conducive environment for learning. It might interest you to know that for the past 11 years, Bizmaro Technologies has been offering practical hands-on training on UI UX design and various ICT skills. Here at Bizmaro Technologies, our classes are not crowded. We offer project-based learning, that is, you get to build a real-life project before you graduate. And when you register with us here at Bizmaro Technologies, a trainer will be assigned to you for mentoring and coaching. You get to ask multiple questions if you do not understand anything you're being taught. You want to learn digital skills in high demand? Why not visit our website to learn more and register today? You can also call or WhatsApp the numbers on your screen for more information. Stay up to date with technology, for technology is constantly evolving. Learn digital skill in high demand, for we are in a digital economy. Till I come your way again with another interesting episode of Digital Skill in High Demand, I remain your girl Joy, and for now, bye.